Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am sorry, but I have a coldies cough drop in my mouth. Trying to catch a cold before it takes off. So I was not going to film this, but I have seen so many people, and I asked when I unboxed my Boxycharm if they would like to see me use this Laura Lee Party Animal eyeshadow palette. It is Laura Lee Los Angeles, which also did the Nudie Patootie and the Cat's Pajamas eyeshadow palettes, which I own both, and they're both really, really good. I was tempted to purchase this and the Boss Babe because they had a deal together, but I did not because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes going on. Good thing I didn't, because this came in the Boxycharm. And when I bought the vault, I just said, why not? I mean, why not throw that in? Sorry, it's almost gone. So today I'm going to use all 6 colors in the Laura Lee Party Animal eyeshadow palette. And it has a little mirror. I'm going to use this palette pretty much alone, and then I'm going to use the Smashbox lipstick that came in my Boxycharm in Petal Metal. I am not a big fan of these. They are a metallic finish, and it is just not my kind of cup of tea, but we're going to use it. So I'm going to start off with Drinks. I think the names in here are super cute. I'm just going to go in the crease with this color. Seems like a lot of colorful palettes are coming out lately. But we do have the season coming of fall and winter, and I'm sure there will be a lot of warm toned colors. So I should probably stick with one eye on camera, one eye off, because I really take a while to do my eyeshadow. I like to build it up, and it just takes me some time. So we'll just keep working on one eye, building up this pretty orange. Seems like there was so much controversy over this Boxycharm this month. I am going to order the Boxy Luxe. I have seen 2 of the spoilers. I'm going to get some spritz. Spray my brush. And I do own the Park Avenue Princess palette, but I have used a lot of it, and I do really enjoy it. But I may put that aside for a gift. So, but I do plan on attempting to get it. If they sell out, they sell out. But just FYI, I don't know if anyone saw the video like I did on the Boxy Luxe. If you get the Boxy Luxe, you cannot get regular Boxycharm. You will not get both. So it's one or the other. So that was kind of a bummer. I'm going to do my other eye. Okay, now I'm going to use Issa Party, the neon yellow. And I'm going to apply this at the top of the orange. When I sprayed my brush, it really brings out the orange. So, just have to build it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to pop this on the other side. Now I'm going to cut the crease with my Fenty, which is a little tacky, so you want to let it dry just a little bit. I kind of dab like this. It works good to cut the crease because you don't have to get out a brush and everything, but it is a little bit tacky, but I do like it. I use it a lot. Okay, now for the lid, and I always wipe the wand. That way when I put it back in, it doesn't have a bunch of color on there. So, just my own little tip. I mean, it still has some color, but you don't see a bunch mixed in. Okay, now for the lid, I am gonna go in with Hungover right here, the deep purple. And I want to pop that one right on the outer V. Right here. I know I hear my mop. My cat's asleep right here. My granddaughter was just in here. She fell in love with this palette. She's naming all the colors. It was so cute. So this purple is super, super like foiled, pigmented. You do have to kind of pop it on, like tap it on, and primer definitely helps. But I do think it's a very, very pretty purple. Whoa. I was gonna do one eye off, but I just got caught up in doing it. Very, very pretty. See the foil kind of look in there? I'm not blocking it with my big popsicle mirror. Okay, now we're gonna go on the lid with, I'm so sorry. I am kind of like out of it, but I've been using my Delium Tools brushes because they're phenomenal, you guys. And then, as well as my Fenty. They're like, I haven't been using my Wayne Gauze brushes as much. Crazy, right? That's not the right brush. Here we go. I'm gonna go on the rest of my lid with the pink one, Bottoms Up. It's really vibrant shimmer pink here. And we are going to put that on the rest of the lid. Not bad, not bad. Blend it into the purple a little. Now I'll do my other eye. Okay, so I have pink on both the lids. There is some fallout, which is why I do not do my concealer until the end of my eyeshadow. I am just blending them out. I'm gonna do my concealer. I'm gonna bake a little and brighten, and then I will be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go under my eye. I have baked and set, ready to go. So I'm gonna go under my eye with Karaoke right here, the real deep blue. And I'm using my Delium Tools Smoky Liner brush. And we're just gonna take that right at the edge and over. I feel like these shadows work better wet with a good primer down. I do feel that you do get the color payoff, and like some shadows, I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about. Ace Beauty, that company is got to be the worst. Yes, I'm gonna keep mentioning them because they still have not contacted me to this day. And I watch a lot of videos, and a lot of YouTubers have issues, and they're like, I don't know what's wrong with my eyelids today or whatever. It's not your eyelids, it's the eyeshadow. So anyways, these are workable. They do take a little time, but they give color payoff. Okay, I'm gonna make sure they're kind of even there. Now I'm gonna go in with damage control. I'm using the whole palette, which is this one right here. I'm gonna bring that from the inner eye and blend it into the darker blue, but not all the way over, just kind of in the middle. So like a baby blue. It's not bad. I mean, I really don't need to spray my brush and go back in, but I'm going to. Just to get more pigmentation out of it, but it went on okay. And I'm gonna finish the other eye with it, and I'll be back. So now for the corner of my eye, I've used every color, but I'm gonna go back into It's a Party. So I'm gonna pop that in the corner of the eye. And I think it kind of ties the look together. I will go off camera and do my eyeliner, mascara, and blush, etc., etc. And then I will come back on and give you my full thoughts on this little palette. Alright everybody, so this is my finished look with the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. And I do feel that it is, I mean, obviously a very colorful palette. So if you are not a colorful person, you are not going to enjoy this palette. However, I am a colorful person and I do enjoy this palette. I do think it has some patchiness, especially in the deep blue and the deep purple. But you just want to put on primer and kind of pack it on a little bit. But I think my look turned out okay. I did use the Kylie Jenner highlighter in Champagne Showers. If I can open it, you know, I don't know what's going on. It is gigantic and I absolutely love it. I think it is stunning. I used my jouer, however you say it, blush duo. These are gorgeous. I've had them forever. I have the 3 of them. Anyways, now for the lips, I'm going to use the Smashbox lipstick I got in my box. It is in Petal Metal. Again, I like the color, but I don't like metallic. The doe foot applicator is really good, but these just kind of remain tacky, and I don't like the feeling. Another idea for the palette is use a all neutral look and then throw on maybe a pop of color on your lid. If you like the palette but you are not used to using just all color, I have to say I truly enjoy the palette. I am not in any way disappointed. However, the lip is like I'm wearing Elmer's glue on my lip, and I don't like that feeling. I feel like I want to rip it off all flipping day. So I do not buy any metallic lipsticks. And I have tried Smashbox. I am not a fan. of much of their stuff, but this for me I did enjoy, and I do think it is a pretty palette, and I recommend it for all the colorful loving eyeshadow people. And again, I know it is not for everyone, but I truly enjoy it. So that is my look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It does help me out here on YouTube, and I will see you soon.